Top 5 Best Credit Cards for Travel 2024. Hey there, savvy travelers and credit card enthusiasts. Welcome back to CreditWise USA, your go-to source for all things credit cards. Today, we've got a special treat for you, the top 5 best travel credit cards for 2024. And let me tell you, card number 1 is a game changer that you won't believe. So make sure you stick around till the end to uncover the best overall travel credit card that's perfect for most people. But before we dive into the creme de la creme, let's start our journey from number 5 and work our way to that top spot. Ready to boost your travel game? Let's go. 5. Citi Premier Card. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Citi Premier Card. A fantastic option for those who love to travel but aren't fans of annual fees. Imagine earning 3x points not just on travel, but also on filling up your car at gas stations, booking airfare, cozying up in hotels, and more. And for the foodies and entertainment buffs, you're looking at 2x points on dining and entertainment purchases. The standard 1x point on all other purchases is just the cherry on top. Redeeming rewards is a breeze with options to transfer points to airline partners or use them directly through the Citi travel portal. And let's not forget the travel insurance benefits, including trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage delay insurance, and even a rental car collision damage waiver. All this with no foreign transaction fees and a modest annual fee of $95. It's like having a travel companion that rewards you at every turn. 4. Chase Sapphire Reserve. At number 4, we introduce the Chase Sapphire Reserve, a card that redefines luxury travel and insurance benefits. This card is for those who don't just travel, but travel in style. Earning rewards is simple yet rewarding, with 3x points on travel and dining worldwide. And if you're looking to make a grand entrance into the world of travel, the welcome bonus of 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months is just what you need. But what sets this card apart are the redemption opportunities and the added perks. Points transfer to travel partners can maximize your value, or you can use them through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, getting 25% more value for your travel redemptions. The annual fee is on the higher side at $550, but it's packed with value, including comprehensive travel insurance, priority pass, select membership for lounge access, and much more. It's not just a credit card, it's your passport to luxury. 3. The Platinum Card from American Express. Taking the bronze on our list is the Platinum Card from American Express, the ultimate card for lounge access and airport benefits. This card is a jet setter's dream, offering a whopping 5x points on flights and prepaid hotels booked directly, or through Amex Travel, along with exclusive access to select merchants. The welcome offer? A staggering 100,000 bonus points after you spend $6,000 in the first 6 months. But the rewards are just the beginning. The real magic happens with the unparalleled airport lounge access, including Centurion Lounges and Delta Sky Clubs, Uber VIP status with an annual credit, clear membership credit, and up to $200 in annual airline and hotel credits each. With an annual fee of $695, it's a premium card for those who demand premium benefits. It transforms your travel experience from mundane to extraordinary, making every journey more enjoyable. 2. Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. Sliding into the second spot with grace is the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card, a premium card that's tailor-made for the frequent traveler. Imagine earning an impressive 5x miles on hotels and flights booked through Capital One Travel and 2x miles on all other purchases. The welcome bonus? A generous 75,000 bonus miles after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. This card doesn't just reward you, it propels you towards your next adventure. But the rewards are only part of the story. With the Venture X, you get airport lounge access through Priority Pass Select, a TSA pre-check and global entry fee credit, and up to $200 in Uber credits annually. Add to that a $100 credit for hotel stays and an annual statement credit for authorized users. And you've got a card that practically pays for itself. The annual fee of $395 is a small price to pay for the world of travel luxury and convenience at your fingertips. It's a card that doesn't just take you places, it enhances every step of the journey. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our top pick for the best overall travel credit card for most people in 2024 is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. This card is a powerhouse of value, offering 2x points on travel and dining and 1x points on everything else. The welcome offer is a head-turner. Earn 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. But why is it our number one? It strikes the perfect balance between a reasonable $95 annual fee and a wealth of benefits. Redeem points for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal and get 25% more value. Transfer points to a vast array of travel partners for even more flexibility. Enjoy travel insurance benefits, no foreign transaction fees, and a global entry TSA pre-check fee credit. Plus, with Priority Pass Select membership, your travel becomes smoother and more enjoyable. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card isn't just a credit card. It's your ticket to a world of travel opportunities, wrapped up with peace of mind and incredible value. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 travel credit cards for 2024. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card leading the pack as the best overall option for most travelers. Each card on our list has its unique strengths, tailored to different travel styles and needs. Whether you're after luxury perks, lounge access, or simply getting the most bang for your buck, there's a card out there with your name on it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful credit card reviews and tips. Safe travels and wise spending, my friends. Until next time.